Best helicopter manufacturers for experimental use.
Hello.
Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation leads in affordable ultralight solutions. For aviation enthusiasts and industry professionals seeking the best helicopter manufacturers for experimental use, Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Co. Limited emerges as a pioneer in cost-effective, customizable rotorcraft. As a direct manufacturer, we specialize in experimental category ultralight helicopters that balance technical innovation with affordability, catering to research, agriculture, training, and recreational sectors. Engineering excellence for experimental applications. As one of the best helicopter manufacturers for experimental use, our core competency lies in leveraging the flexibility of experimental airworthiness certifications.
Yes.
Our ultralight models, such as the F-27, are designed with modular architectures to facilitate custom payload integrations, thermal imaging, agricultural spraying systems, avionics testing for research and development projects. Lightweight configurations for low-altitude operations, cost-effective solutions without compromise. Contrary to premium manufacturers, we deliver cheap ultralight helicopters through vertical integration. As a direct manufacturer, we eliminate middlemen markups while maintaining rigorous quality control. Key advantages include ASTM-compliant structural testing for safety assurance, turbocharged engine options for high-altitude performance, a modular component design reducing maintenance costs by 40%. Why choose a direct manufacturer for experimental helicopters? Tailored engineering. Work directly with our R&D team to modify airframes for specific experimental purposes. Regulatory expertise. We provide guidance on experimental aircraft operation protocols, FAR Part 103 equivalent. Global manufacturing footprint. Based in Changzhou, China, our ISO-certified facility ensures scalable production for international clients. Industry validation. Trusted by academic institutions for UAV research, and agricultural cooperatives for precision farming, our helicopters exemplify the ideal blend of affordability and functionality for experimental use. As the demand for nimble, cost-effective rotorcraft grows, Zhonglian Aviation solidifies its position among the best helicopter manufacturers for experimental use by prioritizing user-driven innovation.